Nefertiti here.
Hi everyone, this is Nikki.
I'm Malva Sannon.
My name is Adina Porter.
My name is Glendora Alexander Muhammad.
I did the Repair Your Hair Challenge.
Listen, I am so excited to have been a part of this challenge.
Just completed the 15-day Repair Your Hair Challenge.
Before the challenge started, I absolutely hated my hair.
I used to have a love-hate relationship when it came to my hair.
My hair was so dry and hard for me to detangle.
Had a lot of dryness.
I used to complain about it.
Now, I am really feeling my twist out.
Now I'm actually rocking a twist out.
Look.
So I love it.
This is like the best that has ever happened to me.
I feel better about myself than I have in years.
Even though I'm an OG, I've learned a lot from this challenge.
Thank you for teaching.
Develop more confidence, develop more self-love.
I learned a lot of things. I learned how to love my hair.
How to wash our hair correctly.
I learned technique, I learned practices, I learned what not to put in my hair, what to put in my hair.
I've learned to love myself and have confidence in myself.
It's also taught me to be patient, to love my hair texture.
This wasn't me before, not without chemicals.
This challenge was an eye-opener.
So it has really been a blessing.
It's definitely life for me.
It was the best experience ever.
I feel better about my hair since ever.
The challenge has changed my life.
Couldn't be happier.
Curls are so much more hydrated than they have ever been in my life.
This is life-changing.
Super empowered.
Beyond impressed.
Encouraging.
Wonderful.
Spectacular.
Beautiful.
Moist.
Sisterhood.
Perfect thing about Naturalicious is your products cater to every texture type.
That everyone's hair is different. I can't have what you have, you can't have what I have.
Curls are popping.
Look, can you see that? Can you feel that? Can you feel that?
Thank you so much, Gwen.
Really thankful for it.
You gotta thank the Lord for Gwen.
Thank you for taking the opportunity to teach Black women how to appreciate our hair as well as ourselves.
So thank you, Gwen, and thank you, Naturalicious.
Thank you, Gwen. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you so much.
Thank and praise God for this challenge.
We are Naturalicious for life.
Everyone in the Naturalicious Nation should do this challenge.
Love you guys.
And keep doing your thing, girl.